At JIT Companies, we get the honor of working with so many talented artists and teams to help create one-of-a-kind projects for both public art installations and private art commissions. From Waterjet glass cutting and polishing, glass laminating, and so much more, JIT Companies is a partner you can count on to find solutions, helping artists create a final piece that's remarkable. Here are a few of our recent projects and artistic partners. James Brenner Sculpture. We worked with James Brenner on the Edge District Gateway project in St. Petersburg, Florida. James reached out to JIT Companies to help with some glass cutting and polishing. James's artworks range from community-driven, interactive, and site-specific projects to large-scale steel, glass, and light sculptures like this one. JIT Companies loved having a part in this truly captivating work of art through precision Waterjet cutting, glass edge polishing, and developing custom assembly fixtures for this project. James was happy with the collaboration and results. Quote, "The team at JIT has always worked with me to find a good solution to how we can execute some of my crazy ideas. I am very particular, and their patience and professionalism is well matched to my creative personality. Thank you, JIT." Demerge Design. JIT Companies had the opportunity to work with Demerge, a Denver-based design and fabrication firm that has some of the most creative minds imaginable. Specializing in public art installations, they bring their creations to a level of ingenuity that is to be truly admired. For this project, Demerge was commissioned to design several art installations at the beautiful Beaver Creek Ski Resort, located in the pristine mountains of Colorado. Using JIT's Waterjet and CNC glass polishing technology, half-inch low-iron glass was used for the project, which was then tempered after processing. JIT also etched several densities of snowflake designs into sections of the glass surface, which give the 3D illusion of falling snow when standing within the structure. Allison Ludke. We've had the pleasure of working with Allison on many of her artistic designs and art installations over the last decade. Allison always challenges us to experiment with her, and we are up for the challenge. Her most recent project with JIT was a private commission that was designed to be 3D with 5 layers. Here is what Allison said about the materials and processes. Quote, "The hanging metal circles were Waterjet cut. I used a variety of organic handmade papers, fabric, and hand-selected images from the client's company photos and embedded them into the glass using the glass lamination process at JIT Companies. With the help of JIT's CAD designer, outstanding customer service, sincere and vested interest in my project, and attention to every detail, this project was a huge success." It's always a privilege partnering with creative artists and teams like James Brenner, Demerge Design, and Allison Ludke. If you have a project coming up that you'd like to collaborate on, reach out to JIT Companies online or call us at 507-326-5240. You'll be glad you did.